Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a brand new 2016 Forest River Sandstorm 285 GSLR. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Take the toys and family anywhere with this great new toy hauler floor plan, fully loaded with 160-gallon fresh water, walk-around queen bed, Onan 4000-watt generator, 40-gallon fuel station that also feeds generator, electric rear bunks, sofa sleeper, swivel chair package, 200-watt solar charging system keeps batteries charged, electric awning with LED light strip, remote keyless entry, large flat screen TV, kicker sound system with 10 subwoofer, outside speakers, upgraded LED light package. Solid surface counters, 16/4 open storage. All the fun and comfort too. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.